through a friend whose house Mr. Nene and Mrs. Nene had made, and we were very happy to see their house, and their feedback was they were very satisfied also with your interaction and your work. So they were basically very happy and they recommended you all. Designs were extremely unique and very new in compared to what I have seen in everybody's houses. So it was a very refreshing thing to see in the designings. What my vision was, you have actually caught the pulse and did the same thing. You made it happen, was something I tell everyone. Okay, whatever I wanted and I just suggested and she worked on it and you did it very well.
Oh,
so that was a very nice aspect. I didn't have to see more beyond that. One thing struck my husband Ashish ko, what Mr. Nene had told, enjoy the process. That stuck throughout that 1 year process, and any ups and downs we used to tell each other, enjoy the process. So we were enjoying the entire process from the start, but as in when something was getting finished and we were like, wow, नहीं सोचा था ऐसा, ये तो expect नहीं किया था. It has turned out so well, and of course the people coming and like zapped wala reaction makes you more appreciative to what you have in life, you know. So it's like, अरे ये wall कितना अच्छा बना है, ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So it's building day by day. We've just moved in, so that wow factor is building day by day. It's not just diminished कि हम आ गए हो गया. It's building day by day. More of a communication clarity, and they were very clear in what they are going to deliver, and they were very clear also and very focused on what we want also. So it was not like my way, highway, my design, your design. No, it was like they were very dedicated to work on our needs, and that also in a very comfortable manner. You know, they were very clear what they want to deliver, and according to our needs, they were very focused on that. Regarding Mrinmayee, I will say few words like extremely flexible. I must have harassed her till the end. She put up with a smile and she actually executed what I wanted without even I don't know how do I say, I must have told ye change kar do. She was very flexible. She was there at every aspect of selection, from China to Silvassa to Andheri. She was everywhere. She was available 4 times a week, 5 times a week, demanded. And what do I say about her is like, I had heard stories about interior designer being very hoity-toity, not visiting the site. She shattered all that myth about all this. So I thought that at her stature, she was really very good. Like being that place, and she's available all the time. Was I was nahi aayegi, but she came, she was there, and she was doing a very good job. I was very happy. No hesitancy on telling her anything. I didn't like this, I liked it, or I wanted that way, can we change it? I didn't have that hesitancy in me because she was so warm towards every new aspect coming to her. She was okay. Her mind was open to take all the suggestions what I wanted to give. Now at this stage of life, I feel that we are no more a client and we are more like a friend, this stature. So we build that relationship with you all, so working with you all. So it's a very nice feeling. I would recommend Expression Design Studio anytime, because the competition in interior world is so much that when I went to few people, this duo was the best in communication, even in showing me what I also want in clarity, and they actually are trustworthy people. Like, I could rely on them. I knew by my heart that they will finish my work on time, with time, and the way I want it. And Expression Design Studio and the duo Mr. Nene and Mrs. Nene are extremely trustworthy in whatever they. I didn't had doubts about their work or even their compatibility towards a client, and the competency also was just too good for us.